Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. Some sun, some blue skies, and the skies have been really a treat over the last 24 hours with some beautiful conditions across the area, including those northern lights. But tomorrow, big time changes are in the offing, and they're taking place out to the west. First alert weather day for our area as we go through a windy Wednesday. Here's what we're watching for that Wednesday weather. An impressive and strengthening storm will make its way into the northern plains. That's happening now. We could see some thunder, and some in our area could see a good 1 to 2 inches of rain. We'll detail that for you. Strong wind gusts for all areas are going to be likely over 40 miles per hour. Those wind directions will be shifting as well. We'll talk about that. And there will be snow out to the west, and then behind it some colder air heading our way. Here's the big picture as we go through the next 12 hours. We're going to see the storm system really bring its snow from eastern Montana into the western Dakotas. We're on the warm side of the system still with temperatures that'll be mild tonight, but look at this. As we go through the night, the clouds build in and the rain showers push in by morning. They'll be light, so we'll have spotty showers of light rain in the morning. By lunchtime, we're going to see an increase in the intensity of the rain in the Southern Valley and eastern North Dakota. Still showers across Minnesota, and the snow just continues to pile up out to the west. A warm ground won't allow the snowfall to be too deep, but it will be significant. Then as we go through the afternoon, there's a chance that these showers, the heaviest, will move north. And then we're watching for a chance of some thunderstorms. More on that, because a couple of those could be strong, and we'll talk about why here in just a second. But for now, we're looking at quiet conditions across the valley. Get out and enjoy. Finish up those yard chores if you can, or just take a walk and enjoy Mother Nature's 58, 57 at Moorheads Airport. It is cooler east. Devil's Lake at 49 degrees, 10 degrees warmer in Gwinnett, and it's 61 in the Devil's Lake Basin right now. Babe the Blue Ox and Paul Bunyan enjoying 60 degrees. Now another look at the hour-by-hour forecast. Isobars show the wind cranking up as we go through the evening. Snow makes its way into western North Dakota, and by morning, clouds and showers moving up. Temperatures in the 40s and 50s. Coolest weather east, warmer weather out to the far east. Now as we look at the heavy rain showers, those bands push in midday along the South Dakota border. I've highlighted this area in red down here at the bottom. That's where there's some energy, a little extra oomph in the atmosphere. It's going to be cold. These aren't going to be summer-like type of storms that are towering cumulonimbus clouds, but we could see a few low-top supercells northeast South Dakota pushing into the Southern Valley. My concern is between 2 in the afternoon and sunset. After that, the chance of anything strong will be out of here. And because of the turning in the atmosphere, we'll be watching those storms for some spin. They're not going to produce a lot of hail or locally damaging winds from the thunderstorms. I think the main threat might be a spin up, so we'll keep our eyes on that. Colder weather. Here's a closer look as we zoom in on the Southern Valley. Here they are, and you can actually see some of the rotation in the atmosphere as they might make their way through. 1 to 4 inches in eastern North Dakota or western North Dakota now, with the snow chances shifting just a little bit off to the east, and we do have some of you in parts of Montana like Ekalaka and Baker. 2 to 8 inches of shovel trouble. For us, how much rain? Well, we're talking about a trace to an inch out to the far east. Now, where you see the greens, that's where we have a better chance at an inch or maybe even a little bit more. The big winners in the central Dakotas were 1 to 3 inches, maybe isolated locations, picking up even more. A soggy day with showers in the morning in Fargo, Moorhead, and the valley. Then as we go through midday, the rain gets heavier and more intense. It'll be in bands. There may be breaks in between those bands. Then as we go into the afternoon, a brief period where we could hear some rumbles of thunder. Some could be strong. We'll keep you posted. After that, your hometown forecast shows cool, rainy, and wet out to the west. Windy in all locations. Wind in the early part of the day from the east, then late becoming westerly and northwesterly as colder air piles in. Here's a beautiful shot Bobby shared of the Grand Forks County area. Look at the color in the skies. Those northern lights, the aurora borealis, taking over. Majestic. Here's another look. Here's your forecast. First alert weather day, Wednesday. Rain. Rain into Thursday morning. We'll be exiting. Then the cold takes hold. By Friday morning, a few could see some frost. Much better chance of frost on a first alert weather day, Saturday, for widespread frost and maybe even some patchy areas of freezing conditions. Still cool next week, but it does look a little quieter for now, and we can hold on to that.
Keep us posted.
We sure will.